Good morning, everyone. It's so good to be with you here today on this beautiful Wednesday. Today, we're going to practice what we know about sorting, and we are going to use our cards to sort them into different groups, such as shapes, colors, and numbers. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, today, what you're going to do, either using your deck of cards or small pieces of paper with numbers on them. You're going to take 10 cards. So let's count to 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to sort our cards. And what are some ways we could sort our cards? Let's see what we have here. Right. So we can sort objects by color, by shape, and in this case, by number. So I think we should start with the easiest one first, which would be by color, as there are only 2 colors here in this pile of cards that we have. So let's start with color. What 2 colors do we see? Red and black. That's right. Great. So let's go ahead and sort our colors, or our cards, into their red and black piles, right? So this 5 is red. This 10 is black. My 6 is red. My 10 is 8. My 9 is red. My 10 is red. My 10 is red. My 9 is black. My 9 is black. And my 10 is 8. Right? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 black cards. Right? So let's try it again with another set of 10 cards. So we have done our colors. So now we're going to try sorting our cards another way. So let's count again to 10. Let's do it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've already done it by color, and earlier we talked about we could do it by number or we could do it by shape. So let's try shape. How many different shapes do you see? I think 3, because there's no hearts. So there are 3 different shapes that we can sort our cards into. This shape is called a spade. So we're going to find all of our cards that have spades and put them on this card that also has spades. So the number 5 has spades. These are not spades. These are clubs. Not spades. Not spades. Not spades. Not spades. Spades. My 3 has spades. And my 2 has spades. Good. What's the next shape that we see on our 10? This is called a club, right? 10 of clubs, right? So let's find all of the clubs that we can in our pile and put them with our number 10 here. Right, so I see one here. Our 5 is a club. We have 4 of clubs and a 3 of clubs, right? And our last shape, we know this shape. Can you tell me the name of this shape? That's right, it's a diamond. So we have our 2 of diamonds, our 4 of diamonds, and our 3 of diamonds. So we have sorted our cards by color and by shape. So let's try sorting them by number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll turn them all over. If I want to sort my cards by number, I have to put the cards with the same number together. So do we see any cards here that have the same number? Yes, we do. You're right. What do you see? Tell me one number that you see lots of times. 7. Good. Anything else? 8. Good. Anything else? A 1, right? Or our aces. Good. So we're going to put all of our ones that have the same number together. Does it matter if they're the same color? No, right? Does it matter if they're the same shape? No, right? We're just looking for the same number. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll find our 7s. So here's 1 7. This is a 1. Ooh, another 7. Another 7. This is a 7. No, it's 8, right? Good. A 6, a 1, a 2, and another 8. So we have found all of our 7s. Let's find all of our aces or all of our 1s, right? 1, 2, 3. Aces are 1s. 2 8s, 1 6, and 1 2. Good job. Thank you for helping me sort my cards today. Remember, we sorted them by color. So they're all the red ones and all the black ones. Then we sorted them by shape, all of the spades, all of the clubs, and all of the diamonds. And we sorted them by numbers, 7s, 1s, 8, and then we had 6s and 2s in this pile. I want you to do your very best to try this at home on your own. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a great day.